So this is Displate. Maybe you have heard about it. You can check the outer cover. This was sent to me during RazerCon 2022 by Displate and Razer. So let's just get the unboxing. So this is the outer cover, and this is the Displate. As it says RazerCon 2022. I did not open it up before. I'm keeping it as this form for like 3 years now. And these are the magnets that comes with this, so you can just, it also comes with the sticky tape, I think. Yeah, so you can stick it anywhere and then you can hang it there. And this is the manual, I think. Yeah, okay. So that is it. There are other models available on the Displate site. You can check it out, whichever you want. It looks good if you have a place to hang it. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.